Wait until the stove has completely cooled before attempting any repairs. Disconnect the power. Unplug the stove from the electrical outlet or turn off the breaker to eliminate any risk of electric shock. Procedure: remove the right side panel. Loosen the fasteners securing the right side panel to the stove. Carefully remove the panel and set it aside in a safe location. Disconnect the old control board. Carefully disconnect all electrical connections from the old control board. Remove the old control board. Pinch the standoffs holding the control board in place. Gently remove the control board from the mounting point once the standoffs are released. Install the new control board. Attach the provided standoffs to the new control board. Reconnect the electrical connections. Secure the control board to the stove body using the standoffs. Restore power. Plug the stove back into the electrical outlet or turn the breaker back on. Verify that the green standby light is blinking, indicating the control board is functioning correctly. Reinstall the right side panel. Carefully reposition the right side panel. Fasten it in place without over-tightening the fasteners. Completion check. Confirm the stove is functioning properly and that no parts are loose or damaged. Pro tip: take pictures before disassembly. This will help you reconnect everything correctly during reassembly. This completes the control board replacement procedure. Ensure all steps were followed for a successful and safe repair.